What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Full Send SRT. Today's video isn't going to be anything special. I'm just going to go for pizza for the first time in the Trackhawk today, so I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride. I hope you guys enjoy. Strap in. Guys, this thing is freaking insane. Craziest vehicle I've ever driven, guys. I've driven Ferraris, a Lambo once. I've driven the E63 AMG, C63s. Oh, you hear those crackles and pops, man? This is, guys, when I bought the Trackhawk, I knew it was crazy, but I never knew it was this crazy. You know what's even crazier? Getting fresh Italian pizza. Let's hit it. Guys, check this out. We got the first official ever Pizza Hawk. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. Don't want to get that on the Laguna leather. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the first ever getting pizza video in the Trackhawk. I'm sure there's going to be more to come, more pizza to get in the Hawk. I know I already filmed a video of me eating a burrito in the Hawk. I'm not going to eat the pizza in the Hawk because it's a little bit greasy. But I'll definitely be getting more food in the Hawk. We're going to be drag racing it. We're going to be racing Lambos, guys. Stay tuned for future content. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that sub button, guys. Hit the bell notification for upcoming content. Can't wait to share this Hawk with you guys. Okay, one last pull. Sorry guys, I just scared myself there. Okay, you know what's crazy is that was also in auto mode and eco mode. So that's auto mode is like Jeep's comfort mode. So it was in comfort mode and eco mode, which is what I use to race Mustangs. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I sure did. I can't wait to devour this pizza, and we'll see you in the next one. Signing off for real this time. Full Send SRT signing off. Peace.